Oh, look at that smile. That's a cute smile.
Enjoyed it, huh? Did you enjoy taking pictures with Auntie Gina while you were sleeping? Just looking at the camera. Is it on video?
Yep.
He burped.
This is a good video.
I love you.
He's saying so much. He's so happy to see Mommy.
I love you. I love you, love you. Yeah. I love you, baby.
Say Dada.
Mommy.
Say Dada.
Mommy.
Come on. Say Dada.
Mommy.
Come on, and there say Dada.
Say Mommy. Mommy. I love you, Mommy. I love you, little angel. I love you.
What's your comment video? What's your comment?
It's Daddy's turn, huh? Let's see how you would react with Daddy. Aww, I love Mommy more.
Mommy more.
I want my Mommy. It's not like Mommy's kiss.
I love you, baby.
It's okay. Daddy's still number 2. Daddy's still number 2. Here you go. He's telling me what you did to him. Oh, yeah. I know. I know. Is that right? I know, yeah. You don't want me to do that ever again anymore? Oh, okay. I won't do that, okay? I won't do that anymore. I won't do that. I love you. I love you. I love you, baby. I love you, baby. I love you, and Nathaniel. You wanna sleep now? You want Mommy to put you to sleep? Yeah? You want Mommy to put you to sleep? What did Daddy do to you? Oh, okay. Mommy loves my baby. Mommy loves my baby. Yeah? Yeah? I love you. I love love you very much. I love you very